Simple bookkeeping for small businesses. Would you like to know how? Well, I can show you. Hi, this is Michelle with Paladin Global Market. I'm the author of the ebook eBay Consignment the Easy Way and the online course creator of starting your own successful eBay business. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe as I upload videos every week, and the whole goal of this channel is to help teach you how to make a great income online. All right, so let's get started. In the meantime, make sure you comment on this video, Bookkeeping 101, and I'll make sure that you're entered into a special drawing for next week. So let's get into this. The main thing that you want to know whenever you're trying to keep records for your business, sometimes simpler is best. I know that I am a detailed person, and ask any of my friends or my husband or family and they know, Michelle, simplify it, keep it easier. So I really focused on trying to implement that in my life, and I've had some really good success with it. So the biggest thing I've learned, I've taught Financial Peace University for over the past 10 years, teaching budgeting and that type of thing in addition to my online businesses. And I have found the biggest thing for helping people to keep track of their numbers on a continual basis is not to make it some big ordeal that you'll have to wait until the end of the month to be able to enter all your numbers. Because if you do, we're gonna delay it, right? We're gonna put it off, we're gonna procrastinate. You like that? Procrastinate. Because human nature, just if we dread something, we kind of shy away from it, right? So you want to make sure that, because keeping your books for your business, keeping your accounting, keeping your record keeping, all of this is extremely important to making sure that you know whether you're profitable or not. You don't want to put in all this time and effort to try to get your businesses up and running and be able to find inventory to resell. I'm an online reseller on eBay. I've sold on many other platforms besides them, but the main thing that you want to know for businesses is we have to keep track of our numbers, because otherwise we don't know if we're spinning our wheels, and that is just, it's no fun. It's stressful. It's, we want to stay away from that. So let's keep this simple. So the biggest thing I have found that has really helped my business is do it on the go. Little by little, quick little second, record it in and get back to your life. So you want to find things where you can implement it on your cell phones, where you can have mobile, like Google Docs is a great way you can do that. I love the Google Sheets that are available. There's different platforms and different apps that you can use to help record your records. But for me, I have found, and see if this fits for you. Again, I'm not a tax professional. I'm just a person that's had multiple businesses, and I've just figured out what works for me. And so if this helps you, please let me know. So you basically, whenever I sell an item on eBay, right then I take a moment, and it doesn't take long. I used to dread this because I would put a big stack of these papers all together for the end of the month. Have you done that too? And say, oh, I'm gonna get to that. Then the next month, I'm gonna get to that. And before you know it, it's this huge monster that takes like 3 days to tackle, that you're trying to rush to get done in time for some type of deadline, like paying your taxes. So you want to make sure that it just brings you so much more peace by whenever I resell my item, I print out the shipping label. Right then I take the time to pull my eBay fees, my PayPal fees, my sales tax, my actual shipping, and then if I'm selling this item for a consignment client, I put right in the agreed percent based on the sales price of that item, and then I have my net profit. I pop it right into my spreadsheet, and I'm done. And it's easy because the spreadsheets that I have developed, they calculate everything for me. So when I go to file taxes, it's not a big deal like it used to be. It's just with a click of a button, I can go on, I can separate it by the month if I want to, or I can just keep a running spreadsheet based on the clients I'm selling for or where I'm getting my inventory from. And I do, I take time to keep those records ahead of time, but then on the back end, it's a breeze. It's like, oh, so when I go to pay my sales tax quarterly, click, click, I know exactly how much it was. When I need to send payments to my consignment clients for the items I've sold for them. Click, click. I see exactly how much I need to pay for them. So it just makes life so much easier on the go. So I encourage you, see if that works for you. Implement it into your system. Try it out. Let me know how it works. I'd really love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed those tips. I hope you can put it right to work for you, for your simple bookkeeping, for your small business. Don't forget to make your comment below, Bookkeeping 101, to be entered into a special drawing. I'm going to be drawing the name next week when I upload our next video. So don't delay. This is Michelle, Paladin Global Market. Hope everyone has a wonderful weekend and happy bookkeeping. And it can be happy because it's simple. Bye, guys. It's that time again. It's Friday, video day. Hi, this is Michelle, Paladin Global Market. I am not knowing what I'm going to say.